The first car we have is Corvette C7Z06 from 2017 model in blue color. It was made in Malaysia. So let's go to the next car. The next car we have is 81 Camaro 2011 model. So it was made also in Malaysia. So you can see very beautiful in orange color with black linings. Here you can see the detailings. And so let's get towards the next car. The next car we have is Roger Dodger from 1970 model. It was also made in Malaysia with golden detail in black color. Golden detailing you can see here, and that's the detailing. So let's go to the next car we have is Bone Shaker. A very ghostly type car, very decent silencers it has, and from 2005 model. So let's get towards the next car. Camaro ZL1 2016 model, and in blue color with black patterns on it you can see, and there's the detailings. ZL1 and made in Malaysia. Very beautiful car, very unique in style. And here we go. This is my favorite car, very beautiful car, and it is come in the supercars. I can say that it's my favorite car in my collection, and very good detailings it had. McLaren P1 in front of you guys. McLaren P1 2014 metal, and black and red interior it has. Very beautiful. You can see the spoiler behind. Amazing back here. So let's move towards the next car. The next car we have again Camaro ZL1, but now in green color. Very beautiful, I tell you before. So just get towards other car. The next car is also very beautiful, Nissan GTR 2016 metal, and in silver color. Very stylish and very shiny. You can see Nissan logo here, and there is the details you can see here. 2016 metal 1188 MJ1NL 17 Nissan GTR R35. So that's the next car we have is from the 50 years of Hot Wheels Power Copo Camaro 2010 model in silver color. It has blue wheel cups and made in Thailand. New car. After Malaysia we have Thailand, and very beautiful car with green interior and looks very powerful. Power Surge, the very fast car. It run on tracks very fastly, and very beastly type car it is, and you can see style on its wheel, and it has irregular shape, not like the other cars. So I hope you like that car in pink color, pink purple combination, and very beautiful. Power Surge, you can see